Blue mist shrub, plant profile. Blue mist shrub, Caryopteris species, also known as Bluebeard or Blue Spirea, is a small shrub that flowers from late summer to early fall for several weeks. It typically blooms in shades of blue. It is usually between 2 to 3 feet tall. Most Caryopteris are hardy from USDA zones 9 down to 5, and some to zone 4. It blooms best in full sun and needs average garden soil that is not heavily enriched with fertilizer, or it can flop. Caryopteris is a low-maintenance plant. In the spring, cut it back to about 8 to 12 inches tall. It blooms on new wood, so the old part will not flower. Caryopteris is a deciduous shrub, and its flowers, leaves, and stem give off a faint, pleasant scent that make it deer-resistant. It's fairly heat and drought tolerant as well. It has no major pests or diseases. Best of all, pollinators love it as much as you will. The tried and true cultivars are Dark Night with deep blue flowers and Longwood Blue, which has sky blue flowers. There are newer compact cultivars such as Petite Blue and First Choice. There are also forms with yellow or chartreuse foliage such as Sunshine Blue, Worcester Gold, and Almost Gold. Caryopteris, blue mist shrub, you can grow that.